So I'm just going to give you a few pointers now on how to summarize statistics. So for instance, we want to look at the roads layer. We'll open the attribute table. And we want to know the length of all the different roads classified by road type. So if we scroll all the way to the right, we see that there's this shape length attribute. If we right click on this and go to summarize, then this opens up the geoprocessing summary statistics tool. So with the input table of roads at risk, we'll create this output table. And so we want to summarize the shape length, and we want to get the sum, but then we want to set it, give it a case field. So in this case, it's going to be the road class. And so what that's going to do is it's going to give us the total length for each different road class. And so if we run this, then it will create a text file that you can open up here and look at it, and it'll show you the total length of roads for arterial roads, laneways, etc. I'm not going to open it here on the screen because it'll give away some of the answers. And you might want to reference other statistics, right? So we might also want to do this for the properties at risk layer. You get the total number of properties that are at risk and classify them by zone code, for instance. So we would change the statistic type to count. We can set this field to shape area. It's kind of arbitrary. It doesn't really matter because we're getting the count of every occurrence, not a sum or an average. But then it's important to set the case field to zone code. And if you run this, it's going to give you the total number of properties for each zone code that are within the risk area or within the inundation zone.